Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to send disappearing photos on WhatsApp application. It's quite simple and easy, just follow these simple steps. And first you need to make sure that your WhatsApp application is up to date. Just check it. And then open WhatsApp application, and here select some conversation that you need to send photo to. I will take this person, and now I need to tap on this camera icon to make photo or to upload photo from your gallery. Let it be this photo, and then to make this photo disappearing after one view, you need to tap on this icon with one number. Here I do that. And now photo set to viewed once, and then when I will send this photo, once the person will look at this photo, the photo will disappear from that conversation. So now you know how you can simply send disappearing photos on WhatsApp Messenger. Make sure you like this video if this information was helpful for you, and see you next time.